Today, we will learn the ABCs with our four friends. Let's meet Ali, Bella, Carlo, and Dana.
I am Ali. I'm always ready to learn something new.
I am Bella. I love to draw.
I am Carlo. I like to learn by singing.
I am Dana. I love to understand everything.
A for apple.
B for ball.
C for cat.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
G for giraffe.
H for head.
I for ice cream.
J for jug.
K for kite.
L for lion.
M for monkey. N for nest.
O for orange.
P for parrot.
Q for queen.
R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tree.
U for umbrella.
V for violin.
W for watch. X for xylophone.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Today we learned A to Z. Learning ABCs was so much fun.
See you next time for more fun learning.